there.
Oh, we can go out. Because some of these look like tracks.
No, you can get a better shot this way. That's a little open.
Ooh, this sun is burning. How much gas? We got enough to make it to the gas station.
I'd be at the Kroger like you did. I had the Kroger's. You want a shot? You got some
There's some right there.
You want to add some on
What's the train?
Don't you see the train move?
I know. I said, how long is it?
You got some pretty long, so we ain't gonna sit here all day.
See a couple of tankers coming up.
Did all of them get one of them awards apiece? Or did just one flag?
No, it may be for a family, a unit.
Well, I hear another
So
engine.
they said I remember was one of the highest decorated. He got killed in a plane crash coming from.
Month before they, 2 months or something like that before to get that award.
Let me
so
step
he
out
was
the
gonna
car
get
real
that
quick.
award.
Yep.
Let's start it. There we go. Hey, hold on. Let me see if I can. Alright. I can see right here. I hear an engine though. I guess so.
Because you got them things where they can see that.
No, that's for the gate. That's for the gate. That's not for no rail. Yeah, I can hear. You can hear the other engine right there. Right there. Yeah.
Oh, he got the phone.
I can see it right here.
That's 2367. What is it? 2367?
Yeah, 2387. Yeah. No, the other one's 69. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and then the other one right there, sitting there. I hope it don't stop right here. See, you can hear it? Can't you hear it? There you go, 2387. Let me zoom into it.
Is somebody in there?
In the front one.
Ain't nobody in the back.
No.
You know all
I-
about trains.
Yeah, I can hear the front one. I want to work here though. That's a worker train. It's a local. 6987. Yeah, that's the front one. That's the front engine.
What is that noise? Like it's gonna explode.
That's the train engine.